straight. Yeah, not make this. Never. So indicator and the sequence you have to be perfect. Look inside mirror, outside mirror, side look. Inside mirror, outside mirror, side look. Look in the direction where you want to go.
Okay.
If you turn right, look on the right side, not on the left side.
Yeah.
It's not necessary. Okay? Yo, nobody is coming, then you can go. Innenspiegel, Außenspiegel, Blinker, Schulterblick. That's don't fly in the line. Do not fly in the line. You drive zigzag in the line, no? Not so nice. Yeah, that's better.
Yeah.
Calm down, deep breath, shoulders down. It's only driving. It's laughing. Okay. The speed limit is 30, but better. Sometimes it's better you drive 25. So, is here right before left? Yes or no? What I mean?
Yeah.
You know, no? You
Right.
know what I mean? The
Right.
traffic rule, no?
Traffic rule,
Is here right before left? Yes or no?
No.
No. No. Because
Because I think I am on the main road. This is just parking.
this is the parking place. And you can see it's not the same surface. It's not the same surface. You can see that, no?
Yeah.
Here.
This is bit lower.
Yeah? Okay? That's the parking place. And on parking place, we don't have it. We don't have it right before left. Okay? Then you can drive. So, you're flying in your line, no? Look far. The mistake you have to make, you make is the following. You look too short in front of the car.
Yeah.
Yeah? You have to look a little bit.
Further.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah? A little bit more. Not 5 meters in front of the car. Look 50 meters in
Yeah.
front of.
Okay.
Look 4. Yeah?
Okay.
Right before left, yes or no?
Yeah. This is
Yes,
same.
no?
Yeah.
And go. Look in. Nobody there, then you can drive.